Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Chelsea. So welcome back to another street shopping haul video. So today I am in Greater Kailash Market, also known as GK1 Market, and it's in South Delhi, I guess. So actually today is Tuesday and most of the shops are closed, and I was not knowing that because this is like my first time in this market. So today I am going to explore this market, like explore the few shops that are open. So yeah, and at the end of this video I will show you either a mini haul or I will give you just the small feedback about this market. So yeah, let's get started. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another haul video. And before starting off with the haul part, first I wanted to give you a small review or my personal opinion about GK1 market. So yeah, so first thing, what I personally feel about GK1 market is that market is very costly. Like I don't really like that market because of course it's a street market. It is supposed to be a bit cheaper, but it's not. It's a way too costly. They don't even bargain much, which again I hate it. And the third and the most important thing is that they have similar clothes that like you will get in Janpat at a way too cheaper prices. So don't pay a lot of money in, like don't just invest a lot of money in GK1 market, because again you'll be getting the same items, you'll be getting the same dresses and tops in Janpat at a way too cheaper prices. So just don't go and shop randomly from GK1 market. Just go and have a look, and if you liked some some piece of clothing like very badly, you wanted to get that one, then only go and shop from there. Until unless I just won't recommend you going over there, because I was there just to explore that market and to record this video to give you a rough idea how that market is all about. And I just wanted to explore that market, that's all. But I'm not happy with that market personally, because that market is very rude when it comes to bargaining. This is what I personally think. Because there was an incident I wanted to share you. I saw a top, exactly I saw in Janpat. So both the tops was similar, and in Janpat the price of the top was 250 rupees, and in GK1 the price of the same top was 450 to 500 rupees, I guess. And I asked him to do the bargaining thing, and he was like, no ma'am, यहाँ पे fixed price है. Can you just believe this? And I was like, भैया but ये same exact top मुझे जनपद में 250 rupees में मिल रहा है. And he was like, तो मैम ये GK1 का मार्केट है, यहाँ पे बार्गेनिंग नहीं होती है, यहाँ पे प्राइसेस यही रहते हैं. So this is like the scenario over there. They would bargain, they would even do a lot of bargaining. So again, I won't recommend you going over there. If you want like similar clothes, you can just go to Janpat. They have almost similar clothes to get in Janpat. So yeah, let's get started with the haul part. So the first item is this is a very simple or whatever, simple white top which has like a floral work or patchwork on it. I had a similar top like this like a year before. I got that top from Sarojini, and the price of that top was like almost similar, like 100% similar. The price of that top was 250 rupees, and I got this top this year, like in this month, and the price of this top was like 350 rupees, which is of course not so good. This is for 350 rupees, same exact top Sarojini 250 rupees. So again, you can now you can like have a rough idea how prices are over there. So again, I really like this top, and because this is so simple and so pretty, and this gives you like a effortless classy look. So I thought of buying this one. So yeah, next item is this. This is a beautiful maxi dress. This is how it looks. It's very long, and this is how it looks. And this was for 500 rupees actually, and I saw this almost same exact maxi dress on Shein, and that was for I guess 1800 to 1700 rupees, and I got this one for 500 rupees. Again, not happy with the price because if this dress because I got this dress from Sarojini just for 300 rupees, and I got this one from GK1 for 500 rupees. So again, the prices are a bit higher. If this would have been in Sarojini market, it would be like for 200 to 250 to 300 rupees, but it's okay. Like 500 rupees not that bad for this dress, because this dress is so pretty and perfect for summers or holidays, vacations or summer date. So this is how it looks, and it fits me perfectly. So again, I told you they don't bargain a lot. So if you like something like really badly, because I wanted this one really badly, so I thought of getting this one. So the next and actually the last item, guys, is this. This is a pant, maroon color pants. This is a high-waisted pant, and I love these kind of pants because they look so good. You can pair this one with a white shirt, with a white top, and they look so classy. The fit days when you don't feel like wearing shorts or dresses or normal jeans, or if you have a dress code thing in your college, you can totally get these kind of pants and you will look so edgy and classy. So I got this pant for 350 rupees, which is again, I'm not happy with the price. I told you prices are a bit higher over there, but again, the material quality, everything is really nice. Fitting is also really nice, but it's a bit longer for me because of course I'm a medium heighted person, I'm not a tall person, so I need to get it altered. But other than that, I'm very happy with this pant. So I got these 3 items from that market. So overall my experience was not that good, but it's like okay sort of. But still you want to go over there and to have want to see the option what you have over there, you can totally go and check that out. But this time they don't even have that potteries kind of a thing where you get a cheaper clothes. So yeah, that's all for my GK1 haul video, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, do everything, guys. It's totally free. And do let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite item, and do let me know in the comment section below that which one is your favorite street market, like a Colaba, Janpat, Sarojini, Hill Road, GK1, etc, Paharganj. Mine is Sarojini. Like personally, mine is Sarojini because Sarojini is the best. So mine is Sarojini for clothing, and for jewelry is Colaba, of course, because for jewelry Colaba is the best market. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for supporting me, for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, and for all the everything. And I upload videos every weekend, so press on the bell icon as well so that you will get a notification. So yeah, see you next week.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel